Is Leoto.com really the deal of the decade or just another scam waiting to snag your cash? Let's break it down. As of January 2026, Leoto.com has been flagged by dozens of buyers and cybersecurity experts as a high-risk scam website. So, what's the real story? First, let's talk red flags. People are reporting they paid in full, but their packages never arrived. Tried reaching customer service? No luck. Emails and phone calls just vanish into thin air. And those glowing 5-star reviews? Turns out some were faked using real user accounts. That's not just sketchy, that's textbook scam behavior. Now, those too good to be true discounts on Leoto.com, they really are too good to be true. If you see a price way lower than Amazon or Flipkart, it's usually a trap to lure you in. So, how do you protect yourself? Here's your quick buyer's guide for 2026. Number 1. Always search for third-party reviews. Literally type the site name plus scam or complaints. Number 2. Test their contact info. Call the number. Google the address. If it's fake, steer clear. Number 3. Check the website's URL for HTTPS and that little padlock. But don't trust that alone. Scammers use it too. Number 4. Run the site through scam checking tools like Google Safe Browsing before you buy. And above all, never pay with wire transfers or crypto. Stick to credit cards with fraud protection so you can dispute charges if things go south. Bottom line? Leoto.com is a hard pass for me in 2026. Your money and peace of mind are worth so much more. For more updates and deep dives into online scams, check out my full Leoto.com Review 2026 video. Stay smart, shop safe, and don't let scammers